Most people go into their head, visualize what they want, and then they start doubting. Please, I want money to come in. You have to do it the opposite way. It takes, what quantum physics say, it takes 6 to 8 weeks for the metaphysical and physical to catch up. So what does that mean? Whatever you're feeling right now is what you're attracting 6 to 8 weeks from now. Now what you're focusing on is just feel positive today and then feel not good tomorrow. No, you've got to hold the positivity. You've got to hold the frequency for a period of time. So you condition yourself, you condition yourselves to be wealthy. And then you look over your shoulder and you're like, oh my God, I got money. If you're thinking just focusing on the bank account, the physical world, let's just get more clients in, I'm going to stay in this stressful state. How's that working out for you? Are you significantly growing financially? And I'm not talking about a few $1,000s, I'm talking significant change. The only way to significantly change is to change you. It's to change your inside. It's to change what the antenna you have on your head, what are you sending out? Am I sending out weeds of worry, or am I seeding seeds of success? Which am I doing right now? Because how you feel right now is what you're attracting moving forward. That's why I feel right now, my whole thing, you said to me, all the personal development that I've learned, I've spent thousands of dollars. What is the secret? I'll tell you what the secret is. Feel good. But people say, oh, just feel good, that's not going to work. Well, if you feel good for long enough, if you feel in a high frequency for long enough, and you bathe yourselves in that, money has to show up.